Okay, tubes, I got it mostly together. All the pinch pieces for underneath they're all pushed over. Just gotta put the wheel stuff on. I went ahead and used 9-volt battery because when you're doing this, you're moving a lot of stuff around. So we're gonna make sure it's still in sync. This one up here should be this, and so on. So this should be this back. This should be right rear. Yep. Front right. This should be left front. And this. Alright. Now I just switch them around here, and we'll see. Set you down here. Now we just got to switch these wires around and make sure the down works. Up's working. And one more to go, should be green. Alright, now so and so, I'm going to do these 4, see if they light up. This should be at the very bottom back here. Yep, front one. Back. They're working, but the other one too ain't. Alright, gotta see what's wrong. I don't know how to take it back apart. I got the one on hooked, I can see it right now. Now we just gotta see what's wrong with this back one here. Alright, wasn't making good contact. So I just barely stuck them on. Let's try it again. This will be the right back, right front, left back, left front. And these are, this is front. This is back. And this should be side and side. Alright, let me go ahead and finish putting it together and I'll show it to you. Okay, it's all back together. Everything's working. I went ahead and silicone this. I know it's still weak, but I'll try to keep that cable a little better. Now, then I'll take a razor blade and cut around there very gently and pull this tape off when it dries. So, but it's all together. I don't know how many feet here, but I ordered another one of these. I got them, and connectors are out there. I think the 9-pin connectors. Yeah, I got 9-pin connectors that I can put. I'm gonna put on the end of this. Then the other, a male or a female will go in here, probably a male, and a female will go into the actual valves. Then I got another, like what I said, another one of these, so I can make a extension cord and sit outside. But there she is. Like I said, this will be up. All these going up be this way, and this will be down, going backwards. Because I'm going to hold it from the front. But there it is, guys. Made an old Tonka van. I don't think it looks too bad. Let me know what you think. Let me turn the camera around so I can see myself. So, if you like my videos, please thumbs up or thumbs down either way. If you really like them, please subscribe. I'm trying to get to 1,000. And bye for now. See you later.